Today I am going to make Queen, the frozen queen, the Elsa. First I am drawing the hair. Look like croissant. And after the hair, I do big U, that's the shape of the face, and eyes, and the mouth, and of course eyelashes and ears. These are arms, little tiny hands. And let's draw some dress. I'm making the wavy part of skirt. And the cape on her back. And let's give her some hair and tiara. Now it's time for crayons. I am using blue for her dress. Next one is purple. Also purple on her cape. Her skin color, I'm using peach. Next one is yellow for her hair. And for her braids, and I'm using gold for her tiara. And let's put jewel with blue. And the mouth is red. Time for Play-Doh. I use blue and red to mix to make purple. Purple is for the cape and light blue for her dress. I make a couple noodles to make the dress. And using the stick to fix the shape. Now I'm using red, yellow, white to mix to make peach color. This is for her skin. Let's add a little bit more white on her neck. Then I'm making another noodle for her arm with purple color. And tiny balls for her hands. A big ball and squish to make her face. And tiny balls for her ears. And let's put some googly eye. Tiny noodle with black to make eyelashes. Make her pretty. And with red, smiley mouth. Yellow, I'm making 2 noodles. And twist. This is for her braids. chop it and put that ear back on, and more noodles with the yellow, and twist and make it round for her hair. A little bit of hair in the front. Now I'm mixing tiny bit of red and yellow and a little bit, tiny bit of black to make gold color. This is for her tiara. And in the center, blue jewel. That's it for the queen. Also, the coloring book is available on Amazon store. Please check the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Good job.